Yeah, just got that call, man. I got the package at the crib ready to get picked up. Yeah, I'm finna go ahead, get ready, get dressed, go pick that package up real quick. I'll let y'all know what it is when I get back in the crib. Tried to cut a little light on here for y'all, man. I know I'm black as hell, but anyways, man, I just got off. Well, I got off work, chilled a little bit, took a shower, but I just picked up this dope ass package, man. I'm gonna let y'all know what it is when I get back in the crib. I don't want to record and drive, man. Everybody be safe out here. Don't do shit like this. It's kind of dumb. I am gone. Just got back in the house from picking up that package, man. Yes, finna go into this dark tunnel, so I see y'all when we get in the room. What's hood, everybody on YouTube? It's your boy Drizzy, potato, tomato, and yes, I go by PM Kicks, and I am back with another unboxing. I told y'all we had 2 W's on the way. This is one of them, and I want to say if the email is right, the second one should be coming in tomorrow. So let's just chop this up. Let's just open this up all the way. Try not to cut myself. And I accidentally won this on a raffle. I didn't even remember me putting in a raffle for this shoe, because it wasn't like a shoe that I really wanted, but I accidentally won it in a raffle. I guess I put in for it. We all know how the end card is from my other video. And colorway on this is solar red, blue. This is not a YEEZY. And blank. Look at that. There's one. God, if I can find the other one. There's the other one. They come with spare laces, ortholite in the inside. Oh, they look like they're gonna be comfortable. Just looking at this, look at that, like the points of your feet, like the middle, the ball of the feet. So these look like they should be comfortable. I forgot I put in for this. I'm not gonna lie. After I won the animal pack on the animal ones on en.com, I guess I just went on a spree, and I guess I put in for these and I won them again, because these wasn't like a really sought out shoe, so they probably didn't have too many people to pick to win these. And when I showed them to my friend, he like, man, them look like something you gonna wear anyway. And I'm like, you might be right, because I wear a lot of weird ass shoes. I might put up a video of like the weirdest shoe I have in my collection. But yeah, I ended up winning a raffle on these. Like I said, probably too many people didn't even put in to win this shoe. So they just basically was just handing them out. And this is what I won in that raffle. I guess this was a W, because I won it in a raffle, even though I could have probably got it for cheaper. But it's not that bad of a shoe. There's no boost in it, of course. If the netting wasn't over it, it probably would be better than look better than what it is right now if the netting wasn't right there. This is actually some nice suede on the back. Like, they just threw like some good quality stuff in there. This is actually nice suede on the back though. For real. With a leather Adidas sign. That's leather in the inside. But other than that, this is like a summer shoe, so I can't really wear these no time soon. And this was basically my W from en.com. So, anyways, Drizzy, PM Kicks. These my win. This is my W. One of them. So go ahead, like the video, comment down below if you like the shoe. If you like what Adidas has been doing. Share, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video. Subscribe to join the Playmaker gang. This is my W, and we out.